Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at bounce types. Bounces are broken down into two broad categories here: a hard bounce and a soft bounce. A hard bounce is considered a permanent failure, such as the email address no longer exists, so sending again to this email address will result in another failure. Email Blaster will automatically tag and remove these users from your future sends. A soft bounce is considered a temporary failure. The user's inbox could have been full at the time of sending, so next time you send to them, it may well get accepted. These are left in your mailing list and only removed after repeated failures. Again, Email Blaster will manage these all for you. From this send here, we can see that we had two soft bounces, so that was just 1% of our list, and we can see it up here in the pie chart. And there were three hard bounces, so this was 1.5% of our list. If you want to dive deeper into these, you can click on either of these segments to view a detailed report. And from here we can view exactly which email addresses bounced and a detailed reason. Again, we can click on the close button, bottom right, to exit. And that's a quick look at understanding your bounce types. See you in the next one.